Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very unique brinjal and dry bumble fish curry recipe, which is also known as Bombay duck fish. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I have heated a kadai on the stove. Add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. As the oil gets heated, add in the bumble fishes. So here you can see I have cut them this way and just cleaned the sides into this long pieces. Now fry them on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes until they turn golden brown and crisp. Now you can see after frying them for about 5 minutes they have turned golden brown in color and they have also turned crisp. Now take them out onto a plate. Into the same oil, now we are going to add in 1 cup of sliced onions and saute them until they turn light golden brown in color. This recipe is going to taste very delicious. Do give this recipe a try. Now add chopped potatoes and also fry them for about a minute. While frying the potatoes, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance its taste and give all the ingredients a good mix. Now you need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. After frying the ginger garlic paste for about a minute, add 4 to 5 green chilies and fry them for about a minute. Now it's time to add dry spices. Add in half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and give all spices a good mix. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Here I'm going to chop the tomatoes in a larger size and add them. You can even chop the tomatoes in a smaller size if you do not wish this way. Saute them on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it and cook on low flame until the tomatoes turn mushy. You can add little bit of water if it is sticking to the bottom and burning. You can see after cooking for about 5 minutes on low flame, on covering, you can see tomatoes are done well. Now add in chopped brinjal pieces and give all ingredients a final mix. Again you need to cover it and cook on low flame for another 5 minutes until the brinjals are done. Give it a good mix, cover it and cook on low flame. So here you can see after cooking it for about another 5 minutes, add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder or fish masala and give all ingredients a good mix. You can check the potatoes or brinjal by pricking it with a knife if it is done or not this way. You can see potato is done well and brinjal is also done well. Now it's time to give a final mix and add fried dry fishes and top it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This recipe is going to taste delicious with paratha or naan. Top it with some coriander leaves and serve hot. Here I'm going to serve it with lacha paratha. You can even try it with roti or normal paratha. This recipe is going to taste so amazing that you are going to make every time the same recipe with this brinjal. How did you find my recipe? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you find my recipes interesting, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members. Did you try bumble fish fry with brinjal anytime or not? Let me know in the comment section below. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for more recipes.